The 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee enters the scene with a confident presence, carrying forward a legacy of rugged capability fused with refined comfort. It's more than just a midsize SUV, it's a symbol of how off-road heritage can evolve into premium, tech-driven utility without losing its soul. The new model doesn't scream for attention with dramatic changes, but rather earns respect with thoughtful upgrades, smarter systems, and a more composed design language. Jeep knows its audience, and the 2025 Grand Cherokee speaks directly to those who demand adventure without giving up luxury. At first glance, the exterior styling continues the evolutionary path started in recent years. The front fascia carries a stronger expression with a bolder, more upright grille, new lighting elements, and subtle aerodynamic enhancements. LED headlights are now sleeker, integrating better into the sculpted hood line. Wheel options range up to 21 inches, giving the Grand Cherokee a road-dominating posture while still looking equally at home on a dusty trail. There's a sense of balance in the design, modern but not overly flashy, athletic without trying too hard. Underneath the skin, Jeep engineers have fine-tuned the Grand Cherokee's suspension system to enhance both ride comfort and trail stability. The 2025 model continues to offer multiple 4x4 systems depending on the trim, including the Quadra-Track IN2 as well as the advanced Quadra-Drive 2 with rear electronic limited slip differential. These systems work in concert with Jeep's Select Terrain traction management, giving drivers the confidence to handle snow, mud, sand, and rocks with the simple twist of a dial. Whether climbing steep hills or gliding across wet pavement, the Grand Cherokee remains poised and predictable. One of the biggest evolutions is in the powertrain lineup. Jeep continues offering the tried-and-true Pentastar V6 for base models, but the spotlight now turns toward efficiency and innovation. The 4Z plug-in hybrid variant gains improved electric-only range, making it more practical for urban commuters and weekend warriors alike. With regenerative braking and optimized battery tuning, it delivers not only reduced fuel consumption but instant electric torque when needed most. Acceleration feels immediate, and the quiet drive in EV mode adds a new layer of sophistication to the off-road-ready SUV. Stepping inside the cabin, it's clear Jeep has listened to what modern drivers want: technology, comfort, and quality materials. The layout remains spacious and driver-centric, with improved seating bolsters and optional massaging front seats in higher trims. Materials feel premium across the board, with real wood, metal accents, and soft touch panels creating an upscale atmosphere. Even base trims receive a noticeable interior upgrade, ensuring that every Grand Cherokee buyer gets a taste of the premium experience. Technology takes center stage in the 2025 model, with the updated Uconnect 5 system now powering up to 3 digital screens simultaneously. The central 12.3-inch touchscreen offers crisp graphics, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and built-in navigation with real-time traffic. In select trims, a passenger screen provides co-pilots the ability to control entertainment, input destinations, or view camera angles without distracting the driver. Rear seat passengers aren't left out either. Available entertainment displays and USB-C fast charging ensure everyone stays connected and content. Safety also receives a significant boost. The 2025 Grand Cherokee comes standard with a suite of driver assist features including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking. Jeep has integrated a new hands-free highway assist system, allowing for semi-autonomous driving on compatible roads. It's not just about keeping passengers safe, but also reducing fatigue and improving long-distance driving confidence. In terms of practicality, the Grand Cherokee still nails the basics. There's generous cargo space behind the second row, and the 60/40 split seats fold almost flat to accommodate larger items. A power liftgate comes standard on most trims, while higher trims offer hands-free access. Roof rails, trailer sway control, and an available Class 4 towing package make it possible to tow boats, trailers, or ATVs without breaking a sweat. The hybrid model can still tow respectably, though traditional engines offer the highest ratings. Fuel efficiency improves across the board in 2025. The hybrid variant, in particular, stands out by offering more miles per gallon than ever before, especially in urban driving where EV mode dominates. Jeep's engineers have worked hard to balance the needs of performance and sustainability, a challenge that the brand is embracing more seriously each year. Emissions are down, noise is reduced, and yet the capability remains undeniably Jeep. Customization continues to be a strength. From the rugged Trailhawk with its tow hooks and skid plates to the luxury-focused Summit Reserve, there's a Grand Cherokee for nearly every kind of buyer. Trim levels cater to a wide range of preferences, from off-road enthusiasts to suburban families and corporate executives. Each version feels purposeful, not like a compromise. Perhaps what's most impressive about the 2025 Grand Cherokee is how well it blends tradition with innovation. Jeep hasn't forgotten its roots. The DNA of the original Cherokee still pulses through its frame, even as it embraces electrification, digitalization, and upscale refinement. It's a masterclass in evolution without alienation. This isn't a vehicle chasing trends. It's a brand growing up and expanding its reach. For loyal Jeep fans, the Grand Cherokee remains a trustworthy companion. For newcomers to the brand, the 2025 model offers a compelling reason to join the fold. Whether it's the electric punch of the 4Z system, the tech-laden cockpit, or the simple joy of knowing your SUV can climb a mountain if it has to, this Jeep continues to deliver more than expected. It's a daily driver, a weekend explorer, and a statement of balanced ambition. As competition in the SUV market intensifies, the 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee doesn't panic. It adapts, it improves, and most importantly, it remembers what it is. A vehicle built for people who want to go farther, think smarter, and never settle for less than capable.